Good morning, everyone. Today, we are not going to cook. We are not going to use our kitchen. I'm going to share with you things that I have learned last week during our seminar. It's very interesting. We learned about how to consume a bar of soup in a right way. We have this bar of different kind of soup bar, and we have the butt spans here. Okay, sometimes we have a very nice kind of bar soup that we don't want to get rid of it until sometimes it getting small and smaller, but we don't want to get rid of it because we like the smell. And sometimes the bar of soup that we really want, when we use it, it slipped away in our hands. And now we have the solution for that. You get a sponge bath and open it up. See? And we probably have to get like a foot of it, 1 foot. This. Tie one end of it to secure. Very good. And so you could put the bar of soup that you really want and tie it again, secure it. And now you could use it. Pretend we are in this shower. You see? It will never go away. It stays right there. You could use it in your shower. Still you could smell the sweetness that you like. You could even put one of them, the whole another new bar of soup in there. Tie it nicely. You see? Use it in your shower it's getting smaller and smaller, but it stays in there. You see how it looks so nice, and it's very secure. You could consume this as much as you want. It will not slip in your hand. And you could put as many as you want in there. Use it in your shower. See? So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. And you could share this to your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my short presentation. This is Tiffin again. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you, and have a nice day.